Are you frustrated by a deadbolt that just won't turn? You're not alone. Let's get your Yale lock working again in just a few simple steps. First, check if your key is going in all the way. If it feels gritty or tough, the problem might be dirt or debris. Try spraying a little graphite lock lubricant into the keyhole. Never use oil or WD-40. Insert and remove your key a few times to spread the lubricant. If the deadbolt still sticks, check the alignment. Sometimes weather or loose screws cause the door and lock to shift. Open the door and try turning the deadbolt. If it moves easily when open, the issue is likely the door frame, not the lock. Tighten the screws on the lock and the strike plate on the door frame. You might need to adjust the strike plate a little so the bolt lines up smoothly. Still stuck? The lock cylinder itself could be worn out. In that case, you might need a replacement. Remember, never force the key or hit the lock. It can make things worse. If you're unsure, call a locksmith. With these tips, your Yale deadbolt should turn smoothly again. Stay safe and secure.